These big trees, fortunately, that's the line, so they're off the property. So we're going to be cutting the stuff inside, and when we get to there, we'll be cutting alongside the power line. And there's an oval-shaped piece. You can see a flag down there on that tree, an orange flag down there. You see that? So that is oval-shaped. It runs down the hill. So I'm going to cut my way in a little bit, then I'm going to back cut my way down and cut my way up. So there's an access point in there. So I can get up the hill, and from then I'm going to cut to kind of the break of the hill. So, but we'll just back our way back. There's one double that I may have to hand fall, and further down there may be a couple that I hand fall, but I think it's pretty favorable. You can feel the wind is actually favorable too. It's blowing this way, so yeah. So anyhow, that's what we'll do. So yeah, I think if we get you sitting here, that'll be pretty decent. The wood is favorable, so I think it should go pretty well. There's only that big double, I think, is the only one that's a little bit, dicey, I think. And there's a hardwood down there, but so yeah, sound good. And I think what I'm going to do, darling, is park the truck down there at that driveway, so that's fairly close. And hopefully those people won't throw a pitch of fit. And yeah, so once we back up to like that sign or so, then we can jump you back and be in the truck. So
vehicle?
hey.